Okay, we discussed this pin diagram, pin configuration, then registers, what is the rule of handshaking pins, then hardware connections, then list of practical. Now as per my problem statement, I want to display my name on the LCD screen, and for that I'm just declaring the hardware connection. RW is connected to P3.1, RS 3.2 and enable pin 3.3. Means in this fashion I am just utilizing port number 3, pin number 1 for RW, pin number 2 for RS and pin number 3 for enable as per my hardware configuration. Now I will just write the algorithm to achieve my problem statement. I want to display my name on LCD screen. That's why first I will give the start step. Then next thing is initialize the LCD, then clear the LCD screen, then set cursor to the desired location where I want to display my message, that is my name, and then display your name by scrolling the appropriate function and stop. In this fashion I just write the algorithm to achieve my problem statement. Next one is I will just convert that algorithm into the code now. Okay, now first start means org000h. Here it is started from all 0h. Then we are just giving various commands. Various command. Now first command I am just giving, that is 38h. Okay, that command, its number is 38. 38 means 2-line LCD I am just using, which having 5 by 7 matrix, and in this fashion there are 16 characters. Okay, now this command I am just giving to the LCD, and that's why I am just calling the subroutine. It is called as a command write, and that's why I'm just writing the instruction a call command write. Okay, when I'm just writing this a call command write, that time controller will go to this label, that is command write subroutine. I will discuss that write subroutine first. Now here first, whatever command I am giving, that is 38, is in accumulator, that is passed to the P1 port, because P1 port is for data lines. Okay, means data is whatever command you are giving, it is coming in available in accumulator, is passed to the P1 port, which is nothing but data pins between LCD and controller. Then we are just setting the handshaking pin as per the command write. Now as per the command write, what is the status of RS? RS must be 0, and RS is nothing but P3.2. It must be 0, and that's why I'm just giving instruction clear P3.2. Then regarding RW, which action we are performing, read action or write action, we are interested in writing the command, and that's why this RW bar must be 0, and that's why I am just writing the instruction clear P3.1. P3.1 is nothing but RW pin, and that we are just clearing it because we want to provide RW is equal to 0. Then next regarding enable pin, enable pin, initially you must make it high, and that's why I'm just writing the instruction set bit. When you are giving set bit instruction, on that particular pin you are sending 1. Okay, set bit P3.3 pin, P3.3 nothing but enable pin. Okay, it is making 1, and that's why P3.3 is equal to 1, means enable pin is equal to 1. Then you are calling the delay, and then you are just giving P3.3, means enable become 0, and in this fashion you are generating high to low pulse here, and then return to the main program. Now it will come back to the main program. Okay, now it will come back to the main program. Here we are calling command write, and that's why cursor go to the command write subroutine. It will execute all the instruction along with return instruction, and when return instruction execute, that time controller will come back to the next location. Okay, means now it will come to this point and it will execute a call delay, means you want to giving the delay for execution of the command, and that's why we are calling the delay. Then next instruction move a comma 0ah. Okay, 0a or 0e is the this is the command which giving display on cursor or option. or sorry, display on cursor on option. According to this, I am just getting the feature on the LCD screen. Whatever feature you want, according to that, I'm just giving command 0E into accumulator. Then I'm just calling command write. This is a command, and that's why I'm just command write subroutine. Again, my cursor go to which subroutine? That is command subroutine here. Okay, at this label. Then again, whatever data in A, now in A it is 0E, it is coming into the P1 port, means it is coming into the data bus, that is D0 to D7. Then regarding it is command, and that's why RS is equal to 0, RW is equal to 0, and enable is high to low pulse. In this fashion, I'm just writing the code. Again, return instruction is there, and that time I will come back to the main program again, means it will come to the next. Then a call delay. Okay, then it will just introducing the delay. Then next step is you are giving the next command, that is 01. 01 is the command for clearing the LCD screen. Okay, now this command you are giving, again you are calling the command subroutine. In command subroutine, whatever in accumulator is coming into the P1 port. P1 port is nothing but data port. Then you are making RS is equal to command. RS is equal to already we discussed that command whatever in accumulator, that is 01, it is coming into the P1 port. Then RS is equal to 0, RW is equal to 0, enable is high to low, and then return to the main program. In this fashion we executed this part, and then coming to the next point here, call the delay. Again you are introducing the delay. Then you are giving the next command, that is 06, and all these commands is from the command list. Okay, whatever I shown previously. Okay, that 06 is to shift the cursor towards right. For example, suppose I want to display PCCOE. Suppose you are choosing first line first position, means at this location we are displaying P. Suppose you are not shifting the cursor towards right, that time at the same location you are displaying P, same C, same location C, again O, and then E. In this fashion all the character will display on the same location, but we don't want to, we don't want that type of message. We want to display P C C O E, and that's why we must shift the cursor towards right, and that's why you must provide here 06 command. Suppose you are not giving 06 command, cursor will display remain on the same position, it will display all character on the same position, and we don't want that type of message, and that's why we must provide the command, that is 06. When you are giving 06 into accumulator, then again you are calling the command write subroutine, means cursor will move to which location, command write. Again in A 06 is there, that is coming into the P1, that is D0 to D7. Then RS is equal to 0, RW is equal to 0, and enable pin is high to low. In this fashion you are giving the command, and then coming back return to the main program. Okay, then you are calling the delay, means here you are calling 06 is output, this command is outputted, then you are calling the delay. Then next one is now you are giving the whatever command you want, you are given to the LCD. Now you want to transfer actual data that you want to display, means for example, suppose instead of my name I am just displaying A B C D on the screen. That time I will write here A into accumulator, then call data write, and then call delay. When A is the, you must know the ASCII value of A, but we don't know the ASCII value of A. In that case, that letter just place into the single quote. Whatever means whatever ASCII value of A is coming into the accumulator, and that's why just write hash in single quote whatever character you want to display. For example, you want to display PCCOE, just write here P, then here C, and then next C O E. In this fashion, first take the first letter into accumulator, then call data write. Now this is the data, this is not a command, A is not a command, it is data write. That's why we are just moving to subroutine whose name is data write. Okay, just go through the go to that data write. Here whatever in A now what, which character is there, ASCII value of A is coming into the P1 port. Then data write means what is our value of RS, RS is equal to 1, and that's why I'm just writing instruction here, set bit P3.2. Next one is RW is equal to 0 because we want to write that data into LCD, and that's why clear P3.1. And then enable pin high to low, that is first set that pin, that is 3.3 gets set with the help of set bit instruction, then call delay and then clear that pin. In this fashion all remain as it is, only changes that RS pin, all other things are as it is. Okay, and then once this is over, return instruction is there, and that time it will come to the next location, then call delay to see that. Then second character which you want to display, take into accumulator, then call data write. Now B is passed to the data write, and then B will display, then call delay, then next one is C, then next one is a D. In this fashion you are giving one by one data which you want to display. According to that I'll generate my code along I generate my code along with that delay program. You are just writing the delay program by two way, either software way or hardware way, means with the help of timer. I'm just using here software way, means just loop, I'm just keeping the count into the counter, and every time I'm just decrementing it continuously till it is not become 0, and in this fashion I'm just introducing the delay in the program. Okay, now I will execute this code on the Proteus software, and before that I will just provide you the actual code. Now this is my actual code. Okay, here I am just displaying my name, that is Sangeeta dot slash s. I'm just providing Sangeeta, that is SANGITA. Then I'm just providing space, that is nothing is there, space, then Patil, PATIL. In this fashion I'm just displaying my name on the LCD screen. I will just copy this code. I will just copy this code and paste into the Kill software. I will just show that part. Just open the Kill software. Then here first create the new project. I will again repeat the same steps. Within the LCD I want to create my new project, and that's why I'm just giving some name here. For example, I'm just giving name SAP1. Okay, that save it. Once this is over, then choose the device. Now my device is from Atmel family, and that's why I'm just click on that Atmel, and my device number is AT89C51. Just select that particular device. Now this is now AT89C51. Okay, then say okay. Then you will call for startup file. Yes, we want startup file. Okay, just see here, target one is created, within that source group is there, and within source group there is a startup file is there. Okay, now I want to create my code as per my problem statement. My problem statement is I want to display my name on the LCD screen, and that's why I'm just creating the new file. I'm just paste my code here. Okay, once code is written here, then I will just save that code with the name. What is the name? SAP1 dot ASM, because it is ASM because we are writing the code in assembly language, and that's why I'm just writing with I'm just save the file with the .asm extension, then save that. Once this is save that file, then color get changed. Once this is over, then add that file into the source group. Then that's why I'm just click on a source group 1, right click on that, then add file to source group. Then my file is in MA final way, it is in LCD, and my file name is SAP. Just see, where it is that SAP1. Okay, then add, then close. Okay, all of you agree up to this point? Once add that file into the source group, then next is we want to generate the hex file, and that's why right click on target one, then choose the option for target one window. Once this option window get open, then just see which device is there. That is Atmel 8AT89C51. You want that only. Then choose the crystal frequency. Now the crystal frequency which is available in the lab, that is 11.0592, that I am just giving here. Then create the output, click on output window. In output window, what is the name of that file? That is SAP1. Then where it is that you want to find out the path, and that's why just select the folder. Then it is in LCD folder. Now LCD is where it is in final, and final is where in MA, and MA is where E, means this is the path. Okay, just remember that in E, MA folder is there, then within it final is there, and within that LCD folder is there. Okay, then say okay, means you know the path. Now just you want to create that hex file, and that's why click on this create hex file and then say okay. Okay, once this part is over, just build the program. Now target is not created, just go to the error. Now error is at A2, just click on that. Means for example error is here, that time I want some part is remaining here, that is L is not written properly in single quote, and that's why I will just cover that part in single quote. Okay, now I will again save that, then build again. Now it is there is no error. Okay, error get removed. Now hex file is generated whose name is SAP1. Okay, now this file I want to dump on the Proteus software. Now okay, all of you agree up to this point how to create the hex file. Now the hex file name is SAP1. Now I want to dump that code on a Proteus software. I will just open that Proteus software. Then already I created that hardware connection. I will just open that, open a design. Then my design in E drive, MA, final, LCD. Now LCD is the name. Now this file is get open. Now you are just calling 8089C51. You are just pick that device, and second device I am just selecting, that is LCD. Okay, and that LCD is 2-line LCD. Okay, you can choose any LCD. Okay, which having 2 lines. Okay, and then just connect your 8 data pins to particular port and enable pins to the respective pins. SAP1 hex. Okay, I dump that code. Now just see here, my name is display continuously SAP Sangeeta space Patil, and this remain continuously. Agree for this? And for that just stop now. Now how to dump that code? And for that double click on this IC, select the hex file. Now hex file is from which path? That is in E drive, MA, final, LCD में. In LCD path, my file is sap1.hex. That file I am just opening here, then close. Okay, sap1 open, then say okay, and then Just enlarge that. Then start. Sangeeta space Patil will display on the LCD screen and it is continuously. Okay.